Hello readers, welcome back to our new mind-blown book summary video. Today, we're diving into a game-changing idea from the 4% Fix. How to manage every interest in your life without burning out, giving up what you love, or feeling guilty about what you should be doing. Imagine you've got a garden. You love roses, sunflowers, lavender, and wild daisies. You want each to bloom perfectly, but if you water them all every single day without planning, you'll flood the soil. Roots will rot, flowers will wilt. Your brain works the same way. Each interest you carry, writing your next article, learning that new language, building your side hustle, getting stronger in the gym, spending quality time with loved ones, needs its own rhythm, its own season. In this chapter, we'll learn how to let each passion breathe in its own time. Rotate focus so you make real progress. Avoid the guilt trip of dropping an interest. Build an interest vault that keeps ideas alive. Use mini sprints to stoke curiosity without overwhelm. No jargon, no overwhelm, just simple ideas you can use. So let's go on the mind-blown secret of 4% Fix. First, let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, let's call her Maya, she was juggling 5 projects at once. Writing a newsletter, training for a 5K, teaching herself to code, volunteering, and planning a family trip. She was exhausted. Her mornings felt like a circus. Wake up, check Instagram, guilt scroll through unread emails, switch to coding tutorial, get frustrated, grab coffee, stretch, realize she forgot to run, feel anxious, call a friend, feel guilty again. After a month, Maya quit 3 projects outright, half-heartedly stuck with one, and was miserable. She thought, I must be undisciplined. I can't stick to anything. Here's the kicker. Maya wasn't undisciplined. She was undermanaged. She treated every interest as though it deserved her full. The result? Nothing moved forward, and her mental space looked like a messy desk with random sticky notes fluttering everywhere. The 4% Fix teaches us to think in seasons, not in never-ending balance. Each season lasts roughly 3 months, but you can adjust. 1 to 3 months per season works too. The key is intensity. Gione. Rest. 1. Pick one plant, one interest to nurture. 2. Go all in for a set season. 3. Harvest insights, what you learned, what stuck. 4. Rest, reflect, review, celebrate progress, plan next season. The rest of your interests, they wait their turn and you never drop them. They're simply parked until it's their season. Rule 1. Obsession. Discipline. Many of us believe that disciplined people just do it. But top performers don't rely on sheer willpower. They rely on obsession. When Maya decided to focus on running for 1 season, she didn't wake up and say, I must run today. She said, I love how it feels to sprint uphill. I'm obsessed with getting stronger. Suddenly, discipline felt almost unnecessary. Find the aspect of your interest that lights you up, the one detail that makes your heart race, and lean into that. Rule 2. Test, triage. Not every new idea is worth for a season. Before buying expensive equipment or committing hours, test for 2 weeks. Spend 20 minutes daily. Keep a simple journal. Did I enjoy today's session? Why or why not? At the end of 2 weeks, decide. Go deeper. Schedule it next season. Delay. Add to interest vault. Drop, no shame. Not every shiny object becomes gold. That way, you avoid the trap of all in, all the time, everywhere. Rule 3. The interest vault. Create a single place, digital or physical, where you store ideas. Podcast topic. Add under audio experiments. New recipe idea. Add under culinary adventures. Painting style to try. Under creative outlets. Whenever a new spark arrives, vault it. This externalizes your brain's load. You're saying, I see you interest, you'll get your season, and your mind relaxes. Rule 4. Daily focus ritual. Every morning, ask yourself, what's the one interest I'm honoring today? Let that guide your top tasks. The other interests get micro moments, 5-10 minutes here or there, but no more than that. This ritual centers your energy, prevent décision fatigue, keeps the rest unpressured. Rule 5. Mini sprints for micro interests. Some interests only need a weekend or a half day. Once a month, schedule a 4-hour play period. No deliverables, no performance metrics, just exploration. Tinker with digital art. Bake that elaborate pie. Learn basic phrases in Japanese. These sprints are like recess for your adult brain. They spark joy and often reveal hidden passions you'd never commit a full season to yet. Bottleneck breakers. What's holding you back? If you stall in any season, ask, what's the one choke point? Lack of gear? Borrow or DIY temporarily. Overwhelm? Break tasks into 15-minute chunks. Motivation. Listen to a related podcast. Read an inspiring blog post. Fix that bottleneck, and momentum returns fast. Picture your passions as instruments in an orchestra. You wouldn't have every instrument playing at full blast all the time. That'd be noise. Instead, maestros bring in instruments in phrases, in movements, in waves. Your interests are no different. You're the conductor. Cue the strings. Bring in the brass. Let the flutes pause. That's how you create harmony, how you make progress without chaos. Putting it all together. A sample year. January, March. Writing season. Daily writing sprint. 2-week test of a new podcast idea. Vaulted penki painting concepts. April, May. Photography season. Invested in a basic DSLR. Sampled 3 online courses. 2 stayed. 1 vaulted. Mini sprint. Built a 1-man studio and weekend. July, September. Fitness. Health season. Obsession. Mastering pull-ups. Bottleneck. Wrist pain solved with physiotherapy. Vaulted gardening ideas for next year. Octay. Personal projects season. Mini hackathon. Coded a simple habit tracker app. Deep dive essay on family history. Test. 30-day meditation challenge. Decided to drop. By the end of this year, you haven't abandoned anything, you've honored everything in seasons. Managing interests isn't about ruthless cutting, it's an act of self-respect. You're telling yourself, your ideas matter, they have seasons, and I will give each one the focus and the rest it deserves. That promise changes how you approach every morning, every task, every fleeting idea. So here's your simple next step. 1. Open your notes app. 2. Create 3 sections. Season, vault, sprint. 3. List your current passions under each. 4. Decide which one deserves your full passion for the next 1-3 months. And then breathe. Let the other interests rest. Give yourself permission to flourish in one area at a time. Because the real secret of the 4% fix? It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters, when it matters without losing yourself in the noise. So readers, I hope you enjoy this book summary. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What season are you choosing next? I'll see you in the next video when your next interest takes center stage. Stay curious, stay kind, and remember, you can honor every part of yourself, just not all at once. Return to your original spark.